friends, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I'm here with a journal share of a fall journal that I've just completed. It has the fabric over cardstock cover, making it really durable with a 5 pamphlet stitch for securing the signature. And on the front, I mounted this piece onto some chipboard and made a pocket with a little secret journaling spot if you would like. And there's a little gold leaf charm here at the bottom. And it closes with a crinkled seam binding tie. And we'll open this up. And the inside has a layered pocket with all of these fun little pieces for you to use for journaling or to put into your journal. This has the words memories down here. I'll put a link down below where these digitals came from. And some tea stain paper. Love the owl. I have a few of these little belly bands that are up at the top, and I've altered these tags to go with them. And they slip right up like so. And a pocket with a couple of vibrant tags stuffed in there. Love these echo dyed papers. They're just so lovely. Here's a altered tag that is inside this belly band with some ledger paper. And here is an altered tag that we made in the last video with the words gratitude on it, using the backgrounds that we used the jelly plate on. I'll list down below those videos too in case you missed them. Here's some tracing paper, beautiful echo dyed. I just absolutely love this kit. And then here's a paper bag with a couple of journaling cards inside, but plenty of room to store some other miscellaneous things you would like to store. And I put this little cute squirrel on the front, some graph paper, another pocket with some more cards. Here is a double tuck spot with one little card stuck behind here, and then these here stuck behind in this tuck spot. And this is a beeswaxed paper as part of that band. Very pretty, very vibrant looking. Here is the middle of the signature with a little Inky Owl charm at the bottom. Another altered tag, a little mushroom with some cloth and stitching down here. Somewhere I must have misplaced the clip, but it'll be clipped in. Here is a flip out with a tuck spot, and I left all this empty because I thought perhaps the recipient would like to do their own decorating or writing or whatever they'd like to do to that spot there. Some more graph paper. Autumn definition at the bottom. The other side of that bag with some more really cute little tags. And a little leaf there, and on this side I placed in the cute little bird. More of that echo dyed. Tracing paper. Here is one more of those belly bands with an altered tag stuck up in there. You could like maybe put a photograph up there and keep it, or here's another pocket with some more card and a tag. So pretty, so pretty. Just love that paper. And another altered tag that we made with the background papers that we created. Oh, here, one more belly band, and this one has an envelope. Beautiful moth tuck side inside there, and this is cardstock envelope. With some lace in the middle, and one more pocket with a nest and a mushroom. And at the very end is an envelope with owls. I love this pattern paper, and it has in here a selection of words, definition words, and a couple tags and some labels and just little bits and pieces of things that you can use to make the journal your own. And so I'm slipping that here in the back of the pocket. And so that is the journal getting ready for fall. It is just around the corner. So thank you so much for viewing, and please give me a like if you enjoyed this, and subscribe, because next week I am going to start a new project. So you have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.